Term 3, Unit 2 Numbers, Part 2. In this session, we are going to see about exercise 2.1. So, first one, fill in the blanks. In that first, estimation of 27 to its nearest tens place is dash. So, our answer must be rounded off to the nearest tens mark. So, our answer should be in tens only. So, it's very, very easy. Just listen once. Okay. So, let us take the round off table, and then as you know that number ends with below 5, you have to round down. Clear? So this is the tip you have to keep in mind. Don't forget, if the number ends with 5 and above, that is 5, if the number ends with 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9, you have to round up to the nearest 10. Clear, ma? Okay, just listen. Here in that first sum, we need to find for 27 only. Where it is? It is in the third row. This number 27 placed between 20 and 30, isn't it? Okay, it is in the third row. Just to see here. Yes. So 27 must be round up. So answer must be 30, because look at the ones place. The number ends with 7, isn't it? So 5 and above, you have to round it upward. Clear? Then come to the second one, estimation of 65 to its nearest tens place. Okay. So here also we need to write in tens only. So question is 65. So look at the ones place. Its number ends with 5. So 5 and above, you have to see the right side only. Clear? Yes. So answer is 70. So hereafter you can do by yourself. You're all brilliant. Yes. So just one thing you have to understand. That's it. Okay. So what will be the answer? Good. 70. Then come to the third one. The cost of 1 kg of pomegranate. Okay. 1 kg of pomegranate is rupees 93. So look at the ones place. Good. So it number ends with 3, isn't it? So left side or right side? Fine, fine. Its number ends with 3. So it must be in left side only. Come to the last row. Good. So you must round it down. So answer is 90. Very good. Then come to the fourth one. Estimation of 76 bananas. Yes. To its nearest tens place is, here also nearest tens only. Look at the ones place 76. Yes. So right side, isn't it? So you have to round it up. So for 76, sure it must be 80. Clear? So the answer is 80. Like this you have to follow. Wherever number you see, you have to check like this. Second sum, there are 27 girls and 38 boys in a class. Find the sum and estimate the sum to its nearest tens place. So read the question properly, ma'am. There are 27 girls and 38 boys, right? So you have to find the sum. First you have to add and estimate the sum. அதை estimate பண்ணணும் to its nearest tens place. As usual, tens place only. So it will be easy for you, isn't it? So let us go to the answer. Fine. This is the solution. And then number of girls is equal to, how many girls are there? Good. 27, isn't it? So enter this. Then number of boys 38. Then add. You have to add more. So 27 plus 38, that is 8 plus 7, 5, 15, 5 and 1 above 6. So total must be 65. Clear? Just check it once. Now we need to find the estimation for 65 only. Clear? So estimate the sum to its nearest tens place for 65. Shall we check in this? Okay. As you know well, because the number ends with 5, isn't it? So here it must be right and you have to round it up. Clear? So for 65, answer will be 70. So this is an approximating symbol. So you can use it for this instead of equal to. Right. So 65 is not equal to 70. This is an approximating and then estimating value. So you have to enter this symbol only. Clear? Okay. Then come to the third sum. If the cost of geometry box is rupees 53, okay, and the cost of notebook, one notebook, okay, a notebook, so the notebook is rupees 36, then estimate their cost to its nearest tenth place. So here also we are going to find the nearest tenth place only, so very easy, but continue here and find the sum. We need to find the sum also. Also find the difference. We need to find the difference also here between the estimated value and the actual value. So here we need to do two more steps. So just listen carefully, but it's very easy. Just have a glance. Let us move to the solution and draw one tabular column, and we need to write the heading as I am going to say. First one is given. Then actual value. What are all the values given? You have to enter in this column. And next one is estimated value. Fine. Then last we need to find the difference also, ma. That's also very important. Okay. So what are all given? First one is geometry box, isn't it? So just to fill like this, cost of geometry box. For this, next one is cost of notebook, and we need to find the sum, isn't it? So let us see the cost of geometry box. Good. That is rupees 53. Then cost of notebook is rupees 36. If we add these two, we will get 89. Right. Just take it one. Next step, we are going to find the estimated value. So here is the very important part, and it's easy for you also. For 53 we need to find, isn't it? So let us take this 10. So 53 placed between 50 to 60, right? So once it ends with 3, so here it must be left side. You have to round down. Clear? So 53 must be rounded off to 50. That is the estimated value for this. Then come to the 36. Let us take this rounded off chart. So for 36, the number 36 ended with 6. So 5 and above. So it must be 40. Am I right? Yes, check it once. Okay. So answer must be 40. Then for 89 also we need to find out more. So let us take that number placed between 80 to 90. So it is in the last one. So 89 must be rounded off to rounded above, rounded up to 90. Yes. So answer must be a 90. So let us see the difference. So which number is bigger? From that only we need to subtract. That is only usual. So let us subtract 53 minus 50. That's equal to rupees 3. That's it. So others also you can do by. Here 40 only bigger number, bigger amount. So from that only we need to find out. So rupees 40 minus 36 is equal to rupees 4. Here also last one. Rupees 90 is the bigger one, and then rupees 90 minus 89, that's equal to 1. Rupee 1 is the correct answer. Fourth sum. If Kavita has 93 pictures, some pictures, it might be stamp collection or any other greeting pictures, any others, okay, and she gave 42 pictures to her friend Neela, okay, then estimate the picture to its nearest 10th place. So here also we are going to find out the nearest 10th place only. It's easy, and find the difference. Okay. Also find the difference between actual value and estimated value. See, like last sum we have done, isn't it? Like third sum, here also we are going to find the same only. Just to see here, let us see the solution. Take as usual one tabular column and enter given, then actual value. After this, estimated value. Last column is difference. Okay, what are all the given? So Kavita has 93 pictures, right? So pictures Kavita has, like this you have to write. Then how many pictures? 93, isn't it? Just you enter here. Then she gave to 42 pictures to Neela. So pictures given to Neela. So 42, right? Okay, enter here. Then find the remaining picture or difference. Both are same. You have to find the difference, isn't it? Okay. So 93 minus 42, answer will be 51. Am I right? Yes, just check it once. Then here we need to find the estimated value for all those actual values. So let us check for 93. Yes, it ends with 3. So sure you must go to left side, that is round down. Answer will be 90. Am I right? Okay. Enter the answer here. Then go to 42. Here also we can check. Sure it ends with the left side only because 42 number ends with 2. So answer is 40. Clear? Okay. Then come to the 51. As usual, this number also end with below 5. So sure it must be go to left side. So answer is 50. It's easy, no ma? Okay. Then now we need to find the difference as it is. So here 93 minus 90. What will be the answer? Good, good. You're right. So 3 is the correct answer. And remaining also you can do by yourself. 42 minus 40, 2. 2 is the correct answer. Last one, 51 minus 50. Good. You're right. 1 is the correct answer. It's very easy, isn't it? Okay. Fifth sum. The cost of a pen is rupees 32. Okay. So cost of this pen is rupees 32 ma. Find the cost of 6 pens. Clear? So 6 pennோட cost கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் and estimate to its nearest 10th place. So as usual nearest 10th place only. It's very easy. Just have a glance ma. Let us go directly. So small tabular column only. Just we need to do one or two steps only. So what are all given? Actual value and then estimated value. That's it. So cost of a pen, isn't it? What will be the answer? 32. So rupees 32. Then cost of 6 pens. Right. So ஒரு pen rate கொடுத்துட்டு நிறைய கேட்டாலே sure we need to do multiplication. Don't forget. So just 32 into 6. That's it. So rupees 32 into 6. Let us see the answer ma. So 6 2s are 12 and 6 3s are 18. So 180. Sorry, 192. Right. Okay. Just to check it. Now we need to find the estimated value here. So for 32, yes, the number ends with the 2 only. So you have to round it down. So answer is 30. Fine. So for now we need to multiply 30 with 6. That is rupees 30 into 6. So it's very easy. 6 3s are 18 and join the 0, 180. Rupees 180. Clear? Okay. So the cost of 6 pence in estimated value is rupees 180. It's easy, no? Okay. Sixth sum. Arun has rupees 47. Raja has rupees 54. Find the sum and estimate it to its nearest 100 place. So don't panic about this 100. It's very easy. So Arun, Yes, Arun has rupees 47. Then Raja has rupees 54, isn't it? Okay. Here we are going to find the sum first. First we need to add and estimate it to its nearest 100 place. Now it's easy, I think. Let us move to the answer ma. So draw the tabular column. So after finding the sum only we are going to estimate. So just the two column is enough. So given and then actual value. So money Arun has rupees 47 and then money Raja has rupees 54. Then find the sum, that is we need to add. So 47 plus 54, 7 plus 4 11 and 5 plus 5 10, 101, right? Yes. So if we add these two we will get rupees 101. Now we are going to find the nearest 100 place. So for 101 we are going to find the nearest 100. Just check it the ones place as usual. It number ends with 1, isn't it? So you have to round it down. So let us take this. It's very easy. So 101 plays in between 100 to 110, isn't it? So as usual you have to go left side only. That is 100 is the correct answer. Okay, fine. So the sum estimated to its nearest 100 place is rupees 100. This is the correct answer. Just have a glance. Okay. Seventh sum, there are 21 chocolate bars, okay, in a packet. See here I have shown you one packet only. Find the number of chocolate bars in 9 such packets, right? So 9 packets la ethana chocolates irukonu we have to find out. After that estimate to its nearest 100 place only, right? Here also very easy, just to check it once. Solution, chocolate in one packet. How many bars are there? They have given 21, isn't it? So just enter here. Then chocolate in 9 packets. So ஒரு packet கொடுத்து நிறைய கேட்டாலே we need to multiply, isn't it? So multiply 21 into 9. So if you multiply 9 and 9 to the 18, 189. That's the answer here. So for 189, we need to find the nearest 100 place. Just check it that one place. That's it. So like this we have to write the chocolate in 9 packets estimated to its nearest 100 place is here 189. So here it must be rounded up. Clear? So for this the answer will be 200. Am I right? Okay. அவங்க ஹண்ட்ரட்ஸ்ன்னு கொடுத்துருக்கிறதுனால நம்மளும் அதை ஹண்ட்ரட்ஸாக தான் நம்ம எழுதணும். ஓகேவா? 190 அந்த மாதிரி எழுதக்கூடாது. ஸோ ஹியர் த ஆன்சர் இஸ் 200. Eighth sum, 132 peanut candies. So you all love it, I think. So you can eat daily also. It's very healthy and I love it. Okay. So eat healthy dish and eat healthy snacks. So 132 peanut candies are shared equally with 12 students, right? Find the share for one student. Clear? And estimate it to its nearest 10th place. So இங்க வந்து nearest 10th place தான் கேட்காங்க. It's very easy. And then try to understand the question first. One packetல கொடுத்து நிறைய packetல கேட்டாங்கனாலே we need to do multiplication, isn't it? But இங்க நிறைய கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. For one studentக்கு எவ்வளோ candies வரும்னு கேட்குறாங்க. So sure we need to do the division ma. So don't forget this logic. So you have to keep in mind. Very important. Okay. Just easy. Let us move to the solution. So number of peanut candies. How many? 132. Then it must be shared equally, isn't it? For how many students? 12 students. So equally shared is equal to 132 divided by 12. Right? So as you all know very well about the 12 times table, because 12 11s are only 132. Clear? So 11 is the correct answer. Then we need to find the nearest place value. Tens வந்து நம்ம 11க்கு தான் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஓகேவா? The estimated value for nearest estimated value nearest to 11 is what? So as you all know very well, isn't it? Just to see here, it's the number 11 end with 1, isn't it? So sure, the answer is 10. Very good. You're all right. So 10 is the correct answer. So that's it, mom. Exercise 2.1 is over, and then it's very easy, and then listen carefully and watch the video again and again. Sure, it will be easy for you.